People spend a lot of time and money making themselves look better, making themselves to show the right attitude, making themselves to project security, self-confidence. There is nothing better in your whole you to project that than a beautiful smile. But sometimes we really miss how powerful a perfect and beautiful smile can be. We can give you veneers, we can reshape your teeth to fit the perfect crowns, the perfect porcelain restorations. Porcelain restorations have proven to long last and also to give the beauty and the function the teeth had. I have to make sure that that smile will last you forever. And I have to look into beauty that will support functions. And when I create that smile for you, I kind of scan you from head to toe to give you the symmetry and build up again whatever that you have lost. The mouth plays an important appearance in the way how you look and in the aging process. The easiest way for you to look younger is to have a beautiful smile.